How to zip a file in Windows 11. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a zip file on a Windows 11 PC or laptop. So if you're trying to send a couple files and you want them to be zipped into one file, or you're just trying to save room, you can zip files and that will compress them into one file. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So it's really easy to zip a file in Windows. It's built into Windows 11, and all we need to do is select the file or select the files that we want to zip, right-click those files once they're selected, and go to Compress To, and then select Zip File. Once you do that, give it a second to process it, and then it will create what looks like a folder with a zipper on it, and we can give it a new name, and I'm just going to name it Test Zip File. And now we have zipped these two files into one zip file. Now keep in mind, you can always unzip it by right-clicking it, and then selecting Extract All. And it'll ask you where you want to extract it. Go ahead and select extract, and then you'll see a folder open up that has the files that were in that zip file. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.